In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check direct debits on the Barclays app. If you want a quick way to keep an eye on your regular payments like subscriptions or utility bills, this walkthrough will make it simple and stress-free. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your active direct debits and when the next payments are due, so you can stay on top of your finances with confidence. Start by opening the Barclays app on your phone and logging into your account. Use your usual login method, whether that's a passcode, fingerprint, or face recognition. Take a moment to make sure you're on a secure connection, and of course, never share your login details with anyone. Once you're in, you'll be on the main overview screen that shows your accounts and balances. From there, look along the bottom of the screen and tap Pay and Transfer. This section is your hub for moving money and managing payment activity. It's designed to bring together all the tools you need for day-to-day banking, so it's the right place to start when you want to view your regular outgoing payments. Next, select Manage Your Payments. This will open a menu that groups different types of scheduled or saved payments. You might also see options related to standing orders, payees, and recent transfers here. We're focusing on direct debits today, so we'll head straight to the relevant area. After that, tap Manage Direct Debits. This is the dedicated space for your recurring payments that merchants take automatically from your account. It's helpful for keeping a clear record of who is authorized to collect money and when those collections are expected. If you have multiple accounts in the app, such as a current account and a savings account, you'll be prompted to choose the account you want to view. Pick the account that's used to pay your direct debits. This ensures you're looking at the right list, especially if you separate bills from everyday spending. You'll then see a list of your active direct debits. Each entry typically shows the company name and when the next payment is due. Some entries may also display the last payment date or reference information, helping you recognize what each payment is for. Take a moment to scan the list, confirm it matches your expectations, and note any upcoming dates so you're not caught off guard. And that's it. You've just seen how to check your direct debits on the Barclays app. It's a quick routine that can give you peace of mind and help you stay organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel more in control of your regular payments.